If you are like every other human being, then the thought of making more money has definitely crossed your mind. Whether it's in the form of rising up the professional ladder, changing industries, or opening a side business, making more money allows us to enjoy some of the good things in life. The idea of making money while you sleep appears to be a dazzling mirage to most people. Our society has so imprinted the idea of hard work in our minds to the extent that any suggestion of making money in your sleep is considered unattainable and often discarded. However, you can't really blame them. For every successful passive income earner you've heard about, there are hundreds and maybe thousands more who have tried and failed. The truth is that most people who set out to achieve the goal of earning passively believe that the journey is simple and straightforward. Immediately things don't go as planned. They give up and call it quits. If you are watching this video, it means you are interested in making money in your sleep and letting your money work for you. I'll have to tell you the truth before you go any further. Earning passively is hard. It can become a monumental undertaking that may not even pay for months or even years. But do be rest assured, if you are ready to put in the work and be patient, you will see significant results eventually. With this in mind, let's take a look at 4 ways to make money in your sleep. 1. Shopify. Launched in 2004 as an online store to sell snowboarding gear, Shopify has grown to become one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, which allows entrepreneurs without technical skills to create their own stores. The platform boasts over 500,000 online stores in about 175 countries. When it comes to earning on Shopify, there are a number of options you can try out. You may want to start a dropshipping business, start a clothing store if you're a fashionista, offer your freelancing services online, teach an online course, or sell unique products. One of my personal favorites is dropshipping. The dropshipping business model allows you to sell products without carrying any inventory or having a physical store. Suppliers are responsible for handling all the logistics of delivering the products to your customers. Your job will revolve around sourcing for the right products and marketing them. The good thing about dropshipping is that it does not require a huge upfront investment. For as little as $29 per month, you can set up a Shopify store and start selling. If you decide to earn passively from dropshipping, don't forget to focus on a niche. Sell only top quality products, create a stunning website and drive traffic to it, and of course, provide some extra value and excellent customer service. 2. Real estate. This list cannot be complete without talking about real estate. According to Forbes, the real estate industry makes up 10% of the world's richest people, third behind the finance and investment and fashion and retail industries. This means that the real estate sector is a good place to start if you have plans of earning passively. Unlike other options on this list, acquiring and maintaining a rental property usually requires a lot of investment, both upfront and over the years, in the form of repairs. Nonetheless, they can still provide a very lucrative and ongoing income for many years to come. Yes, it's true that you'll need some capital to get by in the real estate industry, but it's still possible to earn passively with as little as $1,000. This is a secret that most people don't know. There are 2 ways to generate cash in real estate. You can either buy and hold property to generate passive income or flip contracts to generate active income. There is also the option of starting a real estate escrow service. In general, some of the best ways to make money from real estate include renting out properties, investing in real estate funds, house flipping, and managing real estate properties. 3. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA literally means fulfilled by Amazon. It is a service provided by Amazon that provides storage, packaging, and shipping assistance to sellers. Simply put, Amazon does most of the heavy lifting for you. As an FBA seller, you ship all your merchandise to an Amazon fulfillment center. These items are stored in a warehouse until they are sold. Once your merchandise arrives at a fulfillment center, it is inventoried and sorted. And when a customer places an order on Amazon for your product, the company handles the transaction for you. One of the good things about Amazon FBA is that the peradventure your item gets damaged in one of Amazon's warehouses, the company will reimburse you to the full retail price for the damaged good. Considering the fact that Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, it is one of the best places to start your journey. Your efforts should be channeled toward picking the right product, keeping your inventory in stock, and promoting your products. Amazon FBA offers sellers 2 types of accounts, individual and professional. While individual accounts are free, they attract higher sales fees. Professional accounts cost $39.95 monthly and come with lower fees. If you plan on plunging in big and selling more than 40 items per month, I recommend getting a professional account. 4. Blogging. Although the blogging space appears to be oversaturated, there are content creators who are earning well from blogging. When it comes to blogging and content creation in general, content is always king. People who put in a decent amount of effort and dexterity into their work will be rewarded well for their efforts. Alternatively, bloggers who are in the business of copy and paste will soon run out of business. The key to earn passively from blogging is to create content that people will be interested in reading and sharing. Once you have the content side of your blog figured out, the next step is to monetize it. There are several ways to monetize your blog, some of which include selling information products, earning commissions as an affiliate, selling physical products, selling ads, and finding sponsors. As you can see, making money in your sleep is not an impossible task. Many people are already doing it, and you can too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications to receive more business tips from us.